Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this OPPO. Firstly, open settings. Then you need to scroll all the way down and choose special features. Now click on simple mode and tap on enter simple mode over here. Now when I click on home button, as you can see, easy mode is enabled. In order to disable it, you need to access exactly the same settings and tap on exit simple mode over here. Then confirm your choice by choosing exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!